7 Unstoppable Ways to Create Generational Wealth. For most people, the idea of leaving a real financial legacy for their kids and grandkids feels like a total pipe dream. You hear the scary stats that something like 70% of wealthy families lose it all by the next generation and 90% by the one after that. And it's easy to just assume it's impossible. But what if it wasn't? What if there was a repeatable playbook you could follow? We've studied how lasting financial legacies are built from the ground up, and we've broken it down into 7 unstoppable pillars. Today, we're sharing that playbook with you. This isn't about just getting rich. It's about creating a future where your family has the freedom to thrive, to get a great education, to launch businesses, and to finally break any cycle of financial struggle for good. This is how you build something that lasts. Let's get into it. 1. A legacy mindset and financial literacy. The first step isn't about opening an investment account or buying a property. It's the most important asset you will ever have, your mindset. Building wealth that lasts for generations starts with a huge shift from thinking about your next paycheck to thinking about your family's future. You have to start seeing yourself as more than just an earner. You're the one laying the foundation for your family's future. This all starts with financial literacy. Seriously, knowledge is the greatest thing you can pass down. You can't build what you don't understand. So, your first real job is to get smart about money in terms of budgeting, saving, investing, and the incredible power of compound interest. Then, you have to pass that knowledge on. Make money a normal, everyday topic in your house. Get your kids involved in age-appropriate money talks. Open savings accounts for them. Show them how a simple budget works. When you pass down assets without passing down wisdom, the money almost always disappears. But when you pass down financial intelligence, you build a foundation that can grow well for generations. 2. Wipe out debt and build your fortress. Think about it. You can't build a skyscraper on shaky ground. In your financial life, that solid ground is a life free from the crushing weight of high-interest debt. Every single dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could have been invested and working for your family. It's a hole in your bucket. That's why the second pillar is a 2-part mission. Systematically get rid of bad debt and build an emergency fund. Bad debt, like credit card balances and personal loans, is an anchor holding you back. You need a plan to attack it relentlessly. And a simple plan you actually stick to is way better than some complex strategy you never start. While you're doing that, you need to build your financial fortress, an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away. This is an investment. It's insurance. It's the buffer that protects your real investments from life's curveballs, so you never have to sell off your assets at the worst possible time. Once the debt is gone and you have that cash cushion, you finally have a clear launch pad to build real, lasting wealth. 3. Master the stock market. With your foundation secure, it's time to put the most powerful force in finance to work for you: compound interest. Pillar number 3 is investing consistently in the stock market. Now, this isn't about gambling or trying to pick the next hot stock. It's about methodically buying into the growth of the world's best companies and holding on for the long haul. For most of us, the easiest and most effective way to do this is with low-cost index funds. These funds basically let you own a tiny piece of the entire market, which give you instant diversification and spreads out your risk. The whole point is to make your money work for you, growing and earning returns even while you sleep. Start by maximizing your contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like 401k and IRAs. These accounts shield your investments from taxes, which helps them grow much faster. The key here isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. By investing a piece of your income every single month, no matter what the scary headlines are saying, you're building a wealth-generating machine that will compound for decades and become the core of your family's legacy. 4. The tangible asset. Invest in real estate. There's a reason so much wealth is tied to the ground beneath our feet. The 4th pillar is investing in real estate. Real estate is such a powerful tool because it does a few things at once. It appreciates in value, it can generate cash flow, and it comes with some huge tax advantages. For most people, this journey starts with just owning your own home and building that equity over time. That's a real, tangible asset you can pass down. But the wealth-building power really kicks in with investment properties. A single rental property can bring in a steady stream of passive income every month, all while the property itself hopefully goes up in value. Plus, real estate has unique tax benefits, like deductions for mortgage interest and depreciation, which can lower your overall tax bill and speed up your journey. Whether it's a rental home, a duplex, or even a passive investment in a larger deal, real estate is a rock-solid asset that provides stability and a hedge against inflation. It's a critical piece of the puzzle. If these pillars are starting to click for you and you're seeing how this playbook could work for your own family, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We break this stuff down every single week with practical guides on everything from real estate to stock market strategies. 5. The active wealth creator. Start and grow a business. While passive investing is a foundation, one of the most common ways families have built truly massive wealth is through entrepreneurship. Pillar number 5 is building and growing a business. A successful business is so much more than just a job. It's a living, breathing asset that can be passed down, providing opportunity and a sense of purpose for the next generation. Sure, starting a business is risky, but the potential rewards are off the charts. It allows you to go from just earning a wage to creating genuine economic value. But how do you make it a generational asset? That all comes down to succession planning. From day one, you should be thinking about how to involve family members and develop their skills. Create systems that allow the business to run long after you've stepped away. And even if your kids don't want to take over the business, the profits it throws off can fund all the other pillars, fueling more investments, paying for education, and supporting causes you care about. A business can become the economic engine for your entire family's legacy. 6. Use life insurance strategically. A lot of people think of life insurance as just a safety net for a tragedy. For wealth builders, it's a strategic financial tool. Pillar number 6, which is often overlooked, is using life insurance to protect your legacy and transfer wealth efficiently. A well-designed permanent life insurance policy does 2 key things. First, it can build cash value over time, basically creating another tax-deferred asset in your portfolio. But more importantly, it provides a tax-free death benefit to your heirs. This immediate cash can be used to pay off estate taxes or debts, or to inject money into a family business, all without having to sell off other assets like stocks or real estate at a bad time. Think of it as the ultimate protector for everything you've built. It ensures that no matter what, your family has the resources they need to carry on without financial pressure. It's not just insurance for your life, it's insurance for your legacy. 7. Smart estate planning. You can do everything else right, work your entire life to build a fortune, but if you drop the ball on this final pillar, it can all fall apart. An estate plan is simply the legal instruction manual that makes sure your assets go to the next generation smoothly, efficiently, and exactly how you wanted. Without a plan, you're letting the courts decide the fate of your legacy, which often leads to ugly legal battles, huge tax bills, and family fights. The heart of an estate plan is a will, and for many families, a trust. A will covers the basics, but a trust is the real workhorse of generational wealth. Think of a trust as a family vault. It's a legal structure that holds all your assets, your investments, your real estate, and your business for the benefit of your heirs. It lets you protect those assets from creditors and lawsuits and control how and when the money is distributed, making sure it's used wisely. Working with an estate planning attorney isn't a luxury. It's a non-negotiable for anyone who's serious about this. It's a final, unstoppable step that locks in your life's work for your kids, your grandkids, and beyond. So there you have it. It all starts with your mindset and getting smart about money. From there, you build a launch pad by wiping out debt and setting up a safety net. You create growth with the stock market and the stability of real estate. You accelerate everything by building a business, protect it all with life insurance. And finally, you lock it in for generations with a smart estate plan. Building a legacy isn't some fantasy reserved for the super rich. It's a deliberate process that any family can start. It takes discipline and a clear vision for the future. But the most important thing you can do is simply start. Now go and build your legacy. Kindly check out this video here for more. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.